Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your Octafx account. If you're looking to withdraw your funds, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Octafx app and tap on the Account button at the bottom of the screen. Next, select your account and you'll see the Withdraw option. Tap on it. This will take you to the Withdrawal page, where you can choose from the available payment methods. If you've made withdrawals before, you'll also see your recent withdrawal options listed. You can simply select one or add a new withdrawal method. For this example, I'll choose Looker Bank. Now select the template, Saved Bank Details, or create a new one by entering the recipient's bank name and account number. Next, choose which account you're withdrawing from and enter the withdrawal amount. Once done, enter your PIN and tap Request to submit your withdrawal. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 hours to process, but if you're withdrawing on a weekend, it may take up to 3 days to complete. And that's it. Your withdrawal request is now in progress. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.